First Alert meteorologist Callie Zanandrie is in the weather center. Callie, we're worried about some fire danger today.
Yeah, that's a big concern. And here is why, Kennedy. We are expecting record warmth on this Sunday, forecasting a high of 70 degrees, if you can believe that, for early January. The current record, 67, that was set back in 1956, 70 years ago. Wind gusts this morning already picking up, and this is what's warming things up, the downsloping winds that we're expecting, and then we'll continue to see throughout the day. Right now, current gusts upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour on the west side of town, but we've already clocked gusts upwards of 60 miles an hour earlier this morning in Boulder. We're expecting that wind to continue to howl throughout the day, especially west and south of the Denver metro area, but we'll have a bit of a breeze here as well, with gusts around 25 to 30 miles per hour, not only in the metro area, but as well across the eastern plains. After dark tonight, the good news is we're expecting the wind to slowly relax heading into tomorrow with improving conditions. But with the warm, dry, and windy weather, no surprise here. High fire danger for your Sunday. This red flag warning goes into place at 10 a.m. through 5 o'clock tonight. We're expecting those gusts upwards of 45 miles per hour. Incredibly dry conditions with relative humidity values at about 12% and sustained winds out of the west at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Again, this is in place for the west side of town, south of the metro area, through portions of Castle Rock, Monument, all the way south through Colorado Springs. Temperatures right now, boy, warm out there because of the wind. 57 in Thornton, 55 in Wheat Ridge, with 53 in Lakewood. A good 20 to even 30 degrees warmer compared to this time yesterday morning. Satellite and radar, we are dry statewide. Some high clouds from Burlington through Lamar and Springfield this morning. Otherwise, we're tracking sunshine and dry conditions throughout the day. By lunchtime, 66, and by 3 p.m., we're looking at upper 60s, low 70s. Temperatures will be in the 70s across southeast Colorado. In the high country, incredibly mild as well. 50 in Aspen. We're looking at 53 in Grand Junction. On the Futurecast, a change does arrive for the start of the week. Once again, tracking some snow and rain up in the high country Monday into Tuesday. Once again, favoring the Park Range north of Steamboat there, where we could pick up several inches of snow. Some light accumulation also possible along the I-70 corridor. So if you're headed up there tomorrow, expect some winter driving conditions. Temperatures falling to the 20s and 30s across the plains tonight, and then tomorrow another day in the 60s here in the metro area. On the Super 7-day forecast, we stay warm and dry through Wednesday here in the metro area, and then we see that change come our way on Thursday. Not only cooler, back in the 40s, feeling a bit more like January, but also a chance for snow back in the forecast.